Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to use highlighter in Adobe Acrobat. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm going to show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in Adobe Acrobat and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here in the left, you're going to find the recent files, sort files, Adobe Cloud Storage, agreements, other file storage, and from here you can add the file storage. Right here, you're going to find the recommended tools for you. And if you want to see all of the tools, just click right here. And then you'll be able to see all of the tools. And you can find any tools by searching it in the search bar. So we're going to go back to the home page. Right here, you're going to find Work with the PDF Now. If you click on Open File, from here you can choose any PDF from your computer to work with. So for example, I'm going to work with this PDF. Once you click on it, you're going to find these options right here. Share, request e-signature, edit a PDF, export a PDF, organize pages, add comments, and fill and sign. So I'm going to click on edit a PDF. And right here, you're going to find all of the tools that you will need in order to edit your PDF. So basically, guys, in order to highlight your text, just select any text that you want. For example, I'm going to change the page to this one. And I'm going to select all of the text. And in order to highlight it, right here, hover your mouse over here, and you're going to find a lot of options. So you can decrease the font size, increase the font size, make it bold, add an underline, and from here you can highlight the text. You can also copy with formatting, and lastly, you can cut the text. So I'm going to click on highlights, and as you can see, guys, right now the text is highlighted. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.